What's up, Bronco fam? Welcome back to another one of our videos. Today we got another Mountains2Metal product. It is the Squatch basket. I've actually had this one in my garage for a few weeks now, and I do not know why I have not installed it yet, because this is the easiest install you'll probably ever do on your Bronco. So it does come with the QR code instructions, as do all Mountains2Metal products, and it does come with these hardware that they actually machine themselves in shop. They make all these by hand, and you got these knurled knob screws. This kit itself is only for the soft top. This hardware is only for the soft top. So if you are one of the few that has the hard top like me, you can go ahead and just keep this hardware for some other project or throw it away or whatever you want to do with it. You do not need this for this install. But if you're a soft top owner, I'm sorry, just kidding. But what you're going to do is you have to pop your soft top back, set this in place, and put this hardware underneath, and run your knob on top, and just it clamps down. Soft top owners, we have the latches already. So let me go ahead and show you what's needed to get it done on a hard top Bronco. All right, Bronco people, these are the knobs we're gonna have to take off. Sorry, not take off, but loosen. So for this install, you're gonna want to take the driver's side completely off. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just popping all these latches out. If you've never taken off your top, this is how you do it, just for these segments. The back piece is a different story. And then you do that, and it should, see, it pops free. I need both hands to lift it so I don't drop it on my hood. All right, now that I'm baking this 100-degree weather, you're gonna just go ahead and loosen all of these. You don't take off your passenger one, but you're just gonna loosen it, okay? That way you could just do that. And let me stand up so you can see. Remember that configuration right there, that circle, because when I stand up, you'll see what I'm talking about. The same setup right on top. So if you're getting at what I'm doing, you're gonna set this on top. Let me see if I can do this with both hands so you don't miss out. I'm trying. Okay, so that way you don't miss out. I'm gonna lift it back up. You see that guide rod right here? Well, you want this to sit like that, and that's the reason why you don't take the passenger top off, because you need that guide rod to hold this basket in while you go and put your driver side top back on. Now you may be thinking, well, what happens if I decide to take my whole top off? Well then, yes, this basket will come out, or that is the time you'll start using the hardware that came in the kit. So you can either keep the hardware in your vehicle with you, or just be fine with keeping the Squatch basket off of your vehicle when the top's off. I personally am fine taking the Squatch basket off, because everything I'm going to put in there is going to fly away anyway in the wind. So I'm fine with that. And it's been really hot here, so I haven't even had the luxury of taking my top off yet, because it's been over 100 degrees. And I really need like some type of shade or screen that goes on top, because driving with the wind in your face feels nice, but not when you're in traffic stopping it constantly. So hopefully soon I'll be able to do the top off. I've had the doors off, that's been nice. But yeah, let's get back to the install. Enough about myself. Okay, back to the install. I'm gonna go ahead and latch this passenger top down, because me being me, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it by accident, and I don't want that to happen. Come on. Oh, it's a lot snugger up top right here. It's really snug on this one. I'm guessing that's just because the extra space in there, but I'm sure it'll wear out. You might have to loosen this a bit, loosen that screw. I think I might do that, just loosen the screw and redo it, that way it doesn't break the plastic. I don't know, it's not really crazy, but I do have to use a lot more force than on the other ones. So we'll see how this driver's side is. If it's tight, then I might do it. I mean, it might even be recommended in the instructions to loosen that screw. So let me see. All right, so I went ahead and got the driver's side installed. Sorry that I couldn't show you all that, but I really needed both my hands. But same as the other side, just pop that latch in like that, twist this one in, twist this one in, twist this one in. Now the brass bracket's installed, you can see it's nice and sturdy. I mean, I'm using a lot of force on it and it's doing good. So I'm happy with it. It looks great. This side was tight as well. I'm thinking it'll just wear down over time and be good. But in the instruction, it didn't say anything about loosening this, so I'm not gonna mess with it. I did get it closed, so I'm not really worried about it. But I hope y'all like that video. If you have any questions, comments, even some additions, maybe I did something wrong or you would have done something better, please leave a comment underneath this video. Leave a like and please subscribe. We greatly appreciate y'all watching this video and have a good day.